Hey everybody, welcome back to another Bunny Love video. If you guys didn't know, 2 days ago was my birthday. I turned 15, so yeah. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tianna.
My name is Jayla.
And this is our channel, and we have 2 bunnies, Junior and Ginger, and we have 3 little birdies.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications, comment, and share!
So, in this video is going to be about our birdies, our 3 birdies that we have. So, we recently went to PetSmart.
And we got stuff for them.
Yes.
You want to hold it? Can you wear these? Want to wear these? Yeah? Go away!
You look like you got a mop on your head. Huh? Your hair was like...
I'm gonna put out an album. What made you decide to do that?
We filmed this video when our cousin was here, so it was a little bit everywhere around the place and stuff. So basically this is when we set up their cage with their new toys. So yesterday we went shopping for the birds and we got a whole bunch of nice stuff. And then our cousin came over and she's gonna be in this video to help us decorate the bird cage.
Now, everyone, drum roll
And
please!
look, there's little Junior. Natalie! Okay, so this is her. This is her first time in the video. So, do you have any nice words?
Hi.
Hi.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And turn notifications and like, comment, and share.
And if you do all that stuff, you're amazing.
Yeah, exactly. You are amazing. So, like you probably read from the title, we're going to be decorating the bird cage and just showing you everything. And the birdies, because you guys really wanted an updated video on them. So, let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Let's go. First thing I grab. Okay.
I will have to tell your father.
Put it right there. They love these things. They chew them up. Say hi to the video. Hi.
It's the really big one. Oh, you put it there?
What is that?
Turtle bone.
Tianna!
now we are gonna be doing the cage tour. Our cousin is not here anymore, so we're just gonna do the cage tour now. So let's go and do the cage tour. Yeah. Some other new toys is that one, that one, that one, and that one. And they got Cuddle Bone and the holder. All these are basically their toys. Okay. And then they got this food holder. I've heard that these aren't really 100% safe, so we have to make sure we keep an eye on them. They got their seeds, pellets, 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 because pellets should be the main part of their diet, not the seeds. Here they have their water. Here they have their bathtub. They can go in it. We got some perches. We are in the process of ordering new perches because devil perches, they can get bumble feet from them. So they have a whole bunch of toys. They got that and that one. Hope they have been eating that one a bit more. That one has been in the cage longer though. That's basically it for their bottom half. We have a whole bunch of these openings where we keep their food. Their garbage can for their litter. It's very dirty at the moment. Down here is just some storage. For anyone asking, this is the water we feed them because they can only have certain water. This one is a bunch of their millet. Pee pads, which is what we use for their litter. And this is, we recently just cleaned this, so this would be considered clean, I guess. And then just a whole bunch of some extra bowls, some baby wipes which we use to clean around and everything. Down there is where we keep their storage. They have their pellets and their seeds.
Up here is Jean, Jay, and JC. This is just a little playpen. Up here is a little climbing thing. There's some bells under here. This is like,
Look at all the poop, y'all!
we had this for like a month now. Tianna made this. It's like a little thing where they can just find the food. This is one of their new toys. It's just a little place for them to hang out, a little branch. We bought this from Amazon. And then another thing you can play with. There's the climbing thing, swing, some benches, some stands. Up here, they have a millet. Remember, this is just a treat for them. So don't feed them 24/7. A Nella swinging thing and a Nella new toy. And some pellets up there.
Me and my mom were talking and we're thinking about getting an even bigger cage for them. So we're thinking about buying a second one of these and then adding them there, like the exact same one. And then just taking this side off. And then they'll have like both of them and it will just be bigger, basically. We are not total bird experts. Yes, we know a lot and we have done lots of research, but we still I would say we're more educated on bunnies. We've had them longer and we've learned more about them and just living with them and being with them. So I would say that we are really experienced with budgie birds, but we're still learning as we go along. And so if you guys know anything, maybe we did something wrong in the cage, maybe something's not right, comment down below because we love advice, we love learning new things, and we hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, subscribe, turn notifications, and
like, comment and
share.
share.
So bye. If you're new, sorry, my name is Tianna.
And my name is Jayla.
We have 2 bunnies, and as you just saw, we have 3 birdies, Jay, JC, and Jean. If you're wondering how we picked out their names and stuff and just story time and everything, comment down below. Because it's a funny story of how we got them. Yeah.
I love how we went to go. Can't tell you.
Watch this video to see how we got them, but in that video does not say how we got their names. So. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Welcome. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Welcome back to the Bunny Love.
Can put this. Yeah, glitter sparkles. We were filming by the window and
Everything just fell down.
That was a look.
no.
Wait, put that back there. Okay, okay. So I guess that's it for this video.